Hello, so welcome back to this episode. This is the third episode. So if you haven't watched the first and the second episode, guys, you are missing a lot. Please go and check. I've already uploaded it. I'll leave the link in the description below so that you also do well and check so that you don't miss out anything. So we are almost starting our charcoal production, and we have set fire on the wood, so we have to fan it so that we can see the smoke coming out of the fire. Then so guys, this is what we don't need. We don't need the fire to set ablaze. If this happens, it's going to turn the wood into ash, and that is not what we need. So when you see the fire ablaze like this, turn it off with sand. So he explains the difficulty in using the coconut leaves instead of the palm leaves. He explains how difficult it is and how time consuming and attention the coconut leaves requires, and next time he will go for the palm leaves instead of the coconut leaves. This smoke signifies that some of the wood has been set ablaze, and for that reason it needs to be quenched. So what we have to do is put some sand on it to reduce the fire from setting ablaze. If not, we are not going to get our end result, and that is what we are not looking for.
Juna na tomato soya him. Hey. Why so wako wa city? But once the way you down farm.
Vale. Vai volenti. Vai para cá. Ana. O que é fácil? Mas tá fácil, Ana. Ela se pe. Como é que só tem esse lugar de because
So guys, I'm going to be ending the third episode here. Do well to check the first and the second, and do not forget to continue, and let's see what we had. Thank you so much for watching this video.